And today I start here. Where else? I mean, with this magnificent swimming pool behind me and the blue sky, this incredible landscape and views, you have to start here. Okay, so what to say about this property? I think you will discover it by yourself. It's breathtaking. It's really a beautiful, beautiful villa. Yes, but let's speak a little bit about the location before we see the drone video. Okay, so location wise, we are here approximately 15 minutes from Caldas da Rainha, the main city on the Silver Coast, the main commercial city at least. Then we are 10 minutes from Óbidos. We are 10 minutes from the motorway that brings you to the Lisbon airport, which is then 50, maximum 55 minutes away. And we are 25, 30 minutes from different beaches. So location-wise, really very central, ideal, yes. And well, let's discover this beautiful villa through the door. Let's go. So before we walk in and we discover it, okay, just a few technical details. The property is on one level, okay, plus basement, plus a huge basement that you will discover afterwards. So on this level we have 3 bedrooms. We will discover it right away. 2 bathrooms, okay, and then you have in the basement a big playroom, and there is another possibility for guests to sleep there, as there is a large bathroom down there, large modern bathroom. You will discover it right away. So we have here in this property underfloor heating, okay, and it works through heat pump and with the photovoltaic panels plus the normal energy. So we have the preparation for the central vacuum hoover, we have the preparation for air conditioning, everything is pre-installed, and yeah, and then we have this fantastic swimming pool. I would love to jump in now, okay, yes. What else to say? We have here a property that is around 10,000 square meters, roughly, and construction area of approximately 200 square meters here on this level, plus another 150 square meters in the basement. Yeah, but the best to do is let's go in and discover it. Here we go. So actually I mentioned 2 bathrooms, but I forgot about this one right in front of us. So here we have, right in front of the entrance, the social bathroom and the first bedroom, and at the end of this floor we have the remaining 2 bedrooms. We will see them right away. On your right hand side you have the staircase to the basement. But first of all, let's see the living space and this incredible kitchen. Beautiful, an incredible color, it just looks amazing. And here also the living room from this side. As you can see, you have incorporated LEDs, lamps in the ceiling. But let's see the kitchen from the other side. It's really worth it. Here we go. And here it is, this amazing large kitchen with a beautiful island to enjoy your breakfast, your dinner, and just sitting there and having a chat. It's absolutely amazing. Isn't it? No words for this one, no? I think. Anyway, you can always leave your comments about it, okay? Yeah, so let's have a look now on the living space. As you can see, large windows, sliding windows that leads to the swimming pool area. They are full south facing, electric shutters all over the house. And let's have a look now from the other side, so that you get the impression of this absolutely incredible space. It's really amazing and beautiful. First quality construction, first quality insulation, energy certificate of A. So everything is there. Underfloor heating, as I already mentioned. It's just incredible, beautiful. Now let's move on. Let's discover the remaining part of the house. So this third bathroom with bath tube. Amazing, an amazing one really. Yes. With windows, very convenient. And the first bedroom. This is actually the smallest bedroom, actually converted into an office. But still a space for a guest room, as we have the sofa bed here. Very convenient. If you have more guests than you were expecting. And continuing, we will find on our left hand side the second bedroom. This one is ensuite, so with a private bathroom. All the rooms leads directly through sliding doors to the swimming pool area. Large incorporated wardrobes, and here is the second bathroom with shower. A walk-in shower, very nice. And here is the incorporated wardrobe until the ceiling. Perfect sized bedrooms. And going on to the master one. As you can see on the right hand side, wall to wall incorporated wardrobes going until the ceiling, so a lot of space for your cloth. And right in front of us, the master bathroom, also with shower. Nothing to say about it. It's just incredibly luxury and amazing. And here is the bedroom. As you can see, king size. No problem with king size. There is so many space. Let's have a look from the other side. And here we are. So again, all the bedrooms as well as the entire house have direct access to the swimming pool area. That is really very convenient. In the morning, you just open your eyes and you jump into the swimming pool. It's the dream of everybody. Mine too. So let's move on and discover the basement. Yes, that is an astonishing one. Yeah. Here's the staircase. Now I will move on quicker. And here we are. Wow. This one is incredible, isn't it? Huh? Snooker table. TV corner at the very end. You can look at your foot or whatever in complete privacy. If your wife don't like food, she can stay upstairs and you go down. And here, the perfect bar. This bar has actually been created specially for this villa. Yeah, it's really a unique piece. But let's see it from the other side. Here you have two big storage rooms. On your left-hand side, you see the doors. And also one of them is for the technical stuff. So the hot water, heat pump for the hot water, and so on. So here you can see this corner that has been transformed to a, let's call it, fourth bedroom. Yes, okay. Actually, the owners wanted to change the garage door and put sliding windows inside, yes. But due to the fact that they have to move, it will remain like it is. But as you can see, you have here another very modern bathroom with shower. Again, very big bathroom. So everything is here to make out of it a fourth real bedroom, okay? Just putting a wall with its private bathroom and obviously all this basement, yeah, which is really amazing. So let's have another look here in this area that it can be transformed to a fourth bedroom. And now, having a look outside, here is the usual access with car to the garage. That isn't a garage anymore, as you have seen by yourself. And to the lower garden area. Here we are. So on the left-hand side, you can see the garage door. You can see the heat pump here on your left-hand side also. And you can see the jacuzzi. A big jacuzzi within this beautiful, let's call it typically Japanese garden. It's really beautiful, easy to maintain. That was the idea, yes. And here on your left-hand side, you have the staircase leading up to the swimming pool area. And above the staircase, here this typical barbecue area with pizza oven so that you can enjoy an outside meal here, yeah, within this incredible landscape, this really amazing views, and within this small beautiful garden, okay? I have to mention that the entire area here in front of you, yes, belongs to the property. Yeah, you can see it here. Look at the views. And all the space here that is in front of you belongs to the property, okay? But not only this space, but also behind the wall that you can see through the drone, all this big area also belongs to the property. Here on your left-hand side. So basically, nearly whatever you see is belonging to the property, yes? Nearly. Well, we are finished. What is missing? The price. Okay, so about the price. We have here the house and a plot of nearly 3,500 square meters. But to the deal belongs also the plot beside, which is another 6,500 square meters. The price is 850,000 euros, 850K, for the entire property. That includes the plot beside. And a very important point, the plot is constructible. That has been confirmed by the council. The plot is constructible for sure for one more villa, maybe even two. Okay, so you are buying this property for 850K, including these two properties. The plot, the value of the plot, only the plot, is at least 100K, 100,000 euros, the normal price for this type of size, location and constructible property, okay? Any questions? You can find me, yes? So please, I need this from you. Don't forget it. For us YouTubers, it's very, very important to get this, okay? Then obviously, your messages, I will reply to them, okay? And yeah, and then, don't forget, please, you have to subscribe and hit the bell so that you are informed when I'm uploading a new video, okay? Thank you very much, you're Tony from Portugal. Bye-bye.